In this video demonstration, we show how to use a selection filter in the Allegro X System Capture tool. Selection filter helps in fine-tuning a selection to only specific types of schematic or block objects, such as signals, signal names, special symbols, components, blocks, and arrows. Select the objects from the Selection Filter tab. By default, all the options are enabled in Selection Filter. You can select objects on the canvas by creating a selection box around the objects. This selection box selects all the types of objects enclosed within its boundaries. For example, if you want to select only a component on the canvas window, from the Selection Filter tab, deselect all the options except the component option. Drag a selection box around the objects. Now, you have selected only the components. Or, if you want to select only a wire on the canvas window, from the Selection Filter, deselect all the options except the wire option. Drag a selection box around the objects. Now, you have selected only the wire. That is all we have now for this video. Thanks for watching.